Waffles are a classic and delightful breakfast treat that can transform any morning into a special occasion. They are loved for their crisp edges, fluffy interiors, and the endless possibilities for toppings, ranging from sweet to savory. Preparing waffles from scratch is both simple and rewarding, allowing you to customize them to your taste and dietary preferences. To begin, you'll need a few basic ingredients typically found in most kitchens: all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. These form the foundation of a traditional waffle batter, though you can tweak the recipe to suit your cravings or add your unique touch. Start by whisking together the dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Combine the flour, baking powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt to ensure the waffles rise properly and have a balanced flavor. The baking powder is particularly important, as it creates the light and airy texture that makes waffles so appealing. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients: eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Be sure to let the melted butter cool slightly before mixing it with the eggs to avoid cooking them prematurely. The vanilla extract adds a warm, aromatic note to the batter, enhancing its overall flavor. Once both mixtures are ready, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently stir until just combined. It's essential not to overmix the batter, as this can result in dense, chewy waffles rather than light and fluffy ones. Preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. While it heats up, lightly grease the plates with a small amount of oil or cooking spray to prevent the batter from sticking. When the waffle iron is hot, pour in the batter, using a ladle or measuring cup to ensure even portions. Spread the batter slightly, but don't overfill the iron, as the batter will expand as it cooks. Close the lid and allow the waffles to cook until golden brown and crisp, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Most waffle irons have an indicator light to signal when the waffles are done, but you can also check by gently lifting the lid and assessing their color and texture. As the waffles cook, consider preparing your toppings. Traditional choices include maple syrup, whipped cream, and fresh fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, or bananas. For a more decadent breakfast, you might add a dollop of chocolate hazelnut spread, a drizzle of caramel sauce, or a dusting of powdered sugar. If you prefer savory waffles, try topping them with crispy bacon, a fried egg, shredded cheese, or even smoked salmon with cream cheese and chives. The versatility of waffles allows you to experiment with combinations that suit your mood and taste preferences. If you're serving a crowd, you can keep cooked waffles warm by placing them on a baking sheet in a low-temperature oven until all are ready to serve. For those looking to make waffles healthier or cater to specific dietary needs, there are numerous variations to explore. You can substitute whole wheat flour or oat flour for all-purpose flour to add more fiber and nutrients. Non-dairy milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk work well in place of regular milk, and coconut oil can be used instead of butter for a plant-based option. To reduce sugar content, consider using a natural sweetener such as honey, agave syrup, or stevia. You can even incorporate mix-ins like chopped nuts, dried fruits, or dark chocolate chips directly into the batter for an extra burst of flavor and texture. Once your waffles are ready, it's time to serve them fresh from the waffle iron. The best part of enjoying waffles is their contrast between the crispy exterior and the soft, fluffy interior. Serve them immediately to retain their crispness, as waffles tend to soften as they cool. Whether you prefer them piled high with toppings or simply drizzled with syrup, waffles are sure to bring joy to your breakfast table. The aroma of freshly cooked waffles is irresistible, making them a perfect choice for family gatherings, lazy weekend mornings, or even a special weekday treat. Making waffles at home allows you to embrace creativity and personalize your breakfast experience. It's a fun activity to involve children in, as they can help mix the batter or choose their favorite toppings. With a little practice, you'll master the art of waffle making and might even find yourself experimenting with new flavors and styles, such as pumpkin spice waffles in the fall or lemon poppy seed waffles in the spring. The possibilities are truly endless, ensuring that waffles never lose their charm or appeal. Subscribe to my recipe channel for quick, delicious, and easy-to-make dishes. Don't forget to like, share, and comment to support us and never miss out on tasty ideas.